Alright guys, this is Hammock Motorcycling. I'm back with another unboxing. Today I will be unboxing my new hammock that I'm trying out. Been recommended by a few people to try hammock camping on my motorcycle, so I figured I'd give it a try. And I finally bought myself a hammock. And I told you that if I did try hammocking, I would have to wait till 2019 to do it. And this is actually just a sleeping pad, an air sleeping pad that I'm trying out because my brother recommended it for me to try it. He said I would love it for the price, so I figured I'd try that out, and I'm just going to add it into the video. So I'm going to start with that first, and then I'll go with my most exciting gear that I've gotten this year, which is the hammock. Alright, so let's go ahead and dive into it. So far, I like the form factor already. It's literally this is the sleeping pad. It's green, and it's a Climate Static 5 Luxe. Looking forward to it because my current setup is a thermarest, which was originally $200. I got it for like $169, which is still relatively expensive compared to this one, which is only $70 on Amazon. My brother said I should try it, and I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try this year. So I am looking forward to that. The materials feel a lot thicker than the thermarest so far, and this is gonna be more for my camp because my tent. Because my hammock, I did purchase a top quilt and an underquilt for it. I do have my sleeping bag, but my sleeping bag, I don't want to use that in my hammock because it's just more weight when I don't use all of it when I'm lying down, all of the fluffness. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying this per my brother's recommendation. I like the form factor so far. I like the fact that it packs down to this small. Although the thermarest is a lot smaller than this. So just give you guys a heads up on that. And then this is just a charger that I got for my new camera because it did not come with a separate charger. I don't like cameras that charge internally to the USB. So that's all that is. Now onto the hammock. Again, every time you guys come for my unboxing, it's for one thing, but it ends up being more than one thing. So it says, do not open with a sharp object. Well, the best way for me to do this is just to get the tape off. And I'm going to go ahead and gently lift this up as I'm running the knife through the tape instead of pushing the knife all the way through to the bottom or the inside of the box. So there we go. Very carefully opening this up. Yep, I can see why. Right underneath it is the actual material itself, the actual hammock itself. Got packing tape. It says pair of fish hooks. There we go. I'm not sure. So these are the fish hooks. This is an accessory. This bag feels really thick, by the way. Look how thick this is. Wow. This is a repair kit, silicone sealer for the hammock. Alright, so we got a bunch of stuff in here. So this, let's see here. I believe this is the hammock because it's got two ends, one end and the other end. So we got two ends on the to pull the hammock out. I can tell you already that I'm loving the feel of this material. It feels different from the Eno hammock that I got that was free, basically, from REI. This already has a different, more premium feel already. I believe this is a tarp because I did order a tarp from the same manufacturer because they had a deal that if you ordered a hammock and a tarp you get a discount. I can't remember what the discount was, but there was a discount along with it. I ordered the hammock itself does come with suspension already in it, but I ordered a separate set of suspension, a different kind, just to this is the Whoopee suspension right here, just to try different ones because I'm not sure which style I like. And then just some extra guidelines versus using paracord. Two, I already forgot the name of these. I knew the name of them when I ordered them, but I can't remember them now. Carabiners. So 2 of these. I do have my own carabiners, but they were being used for something else, so I went ahead and got these 2. These are very light, by the way. They are actually very light, which is awesome. And then these are poles. I think these are poles for the tarp, to hold the tarp up. Alright. And then we have stickers. We have some other stuff in here. And if you haven't told by now, this is what I ordered. A Warbonnet Blackbird, not the XLC or the extra large one, just the regular Blackbird. And then I got a little note in here. It says Hammock setup. So it kind of goes through and runs through and tells me how to set it up. So Blackbird or Blackbird XLC or Traveler Hammock setup. Those are the ones at the top. If you, I don't know if you guys can see that. There we go. Yep. So pretty cool. Alright, box is empty. Let's go ahead and crack into this thing. These are going to go in my motorcycle camping equipment. Alright. We got some cord in here and very thin sticks. Yep, let's put that to the side. And this, I believe, is the tarp. So let's take a look here. The material feels really light already. Yep, and this is the tarp. Yep, you can see. So it's got these plastic triangle rings at the end. And it's double stitched right in here. Along the material, it feels really thin and really light. I don't know how well it's going to hold up. But this, I've never felt a material like this on any camping gear that I've purchased. I can't really describe. It's like very silky, but yet durable and strong at the same time. It's so butter smooth silk. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that's pretty sweet. And it's so light. Like this is the light. Like it's even lighter than the current tarp I have. And my current tarp is only 9 feet, and this thing is 11 feet, which is insane. 11 or 12 feet. I can't remember. I'll put the link in the description below for you guys so you know what I ordered. And then let's take a look at the hammock itself here. I don't really want to open this up indoors, but I really want to look at the hammock itself. So you can see it already comes with a suspension type. So I ordered a green one. Green's my favorite color. And here's the net that's attached to it. Like I said, this is the Warbonnet Blackbird. I chose this one because number 1, the net comes with it. Number 2, it has what's called asymmetrical lying position, which other brand name hammocks have as well. However, this has like a compartment, like a little shelving unit that I think is only available in the Warbonnet brand. So I went with that. That was one of the reasons why I wanted, because I like having a shelving system inside my sleeping arrangements. I believe this, I'm going to go ahead and pull the other end here. Not sure what I'm doing wrong here. So it comes out the other end. So when I'm setting up between 2 trees, this is supposed to be lifted off the ground as I'm pulling the hammock out. It's going to keep going and keep going until I get the whole thing out. Oh, this is going to be fun trying to figure out how to work this thing this summer. Woohoo! First is the tent, now it's this. Nothing like it. Nothing like it at all. Nothing like trying out new gear and trying to figure out how to work it. Alright, so then, keeps coming out. And then once it's done being hung up, I just take the sleeve and go to one end and just roll it up like this at one end of the hammock, which I think is a pretty cool idea. And here again, we got the suspension on the other end. I'll have to figure all this out, and then I'll go ahead and do a video later talking about it, obviously, about all this, and then we can go over it, all of it later. This, I honestly was not expecting the material to feel like this. It's super lightweight. It's super thin. I don't know if the thinness is going to be a problem in terms of durability, but I do understand that the thickness or the thinness of the hammock materials, especially when you get up to premium hammocks like this, is to help get either the firmness or the softness of the fabric for people who like things more firm and for people who prefer things more softer in terms of their sleeping, their bedding. So it's like basically your bed on the go, and just the materials themselves, the thickness of it is what determines like how comfortable you'll sleep. It depends on person to person. So here's the Warbonnet logo itself. Hope you guys can see that. I absolutely love this new camera, by the way, just to let you guys know. Yeah, so I am so stoked about this. So yeah, so I went with the green one, and this is what came in the mail. Alright, I think we are good to go. Alright, that's pretty much the unboxing of the Warbonnet Blackbird regular, not Blackbird XLC, along with the tarp itself. Go ahead and open up the tarp just so you guys can see. Here's the tarp. Green material. I believe these do come with doors. I make sure to purchase one with doors. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set these up once I get to the campground so you guys can see it. I'm actually gonna try and figure out how to work all of this before we even get to the campground. Alright, I think that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and pack these all back up, and I will talk to you guys later. See you in the next video. Bye.